A true Hyderabad delicacy crafted from finest dried apricots and sugar. I present to you Qubani Meetha. This dessert is made by soaking dried apricots in water for several hours until soft and adding sugar. Ingredients: 500 gram dried apricots, 150 gram sugar, handful of assorted nuts, and saffron. Begin by washing and soaking the dried apricots in enough water for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. These apricots are soaked until they are tender and bursting with natural sweetness. Now they are plump and ready to use. Remove the seeds from the apricots. Reserve the soaked water safe for later use. To extract the nuts, use a mortar and pestle to crack the seeds and remove the almond-like nut. Discard the hard kernel and reserve these nuts. Heat a pan over low flame and pour in the soaked water. Then add the apricots. Cook the apricots for 12 to 15 minutes on low flame until they are thickened, stirring occasionally. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and cook until the sugar melts, adjusting sweetness according to taste. Add saffron and continue cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Squeeze in 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice to prevent sugar crystallization. Once the mixture is thick and glossy, it's time to plate our Qubani Meetha. Finally, sprinkle in crushed nuts, remove from heat and transfer to a serving bowl. This quick and easy dessert recipe made with healthy apricots pairs well with vanilla ice cream, gulab jamun or whipped cream. Enjoy recreating this in your kitchen and share your feedback in the comments. Happy cooking!